Paxton Klein here. Today we're going to look at the Smith and Wesson out the front knife and see what makes it work. I've already pulled out most of the screws, so let's proceed with disassembly. First, top cover comes off. Here you can see the switch with a transfer bar. This is the safety little plastic detent over here, right here. This is the bar that attaches to the blade. You have to remove that. Pull that cover off. Glass breaker. The other cover. Here we have the knife. This is in the locked position. And then as we don't want to cut myself. As we slide this forward, you'll see that it's an overcam action. As soon as we get a little bit further, it'll spring forward, like so. Locks into place. That's the internals of the Smith and Wesson out the front knife.